Over the past few decades, livestock farming in the United States has become one of the most rapidly changing industries thanks to the adoption of advanced technology. From data-driven fields to automated robotic barns, everything has changed the way people care for and raise livestock. In the not-so-distant past, feeding livestock relied on manual labor with complex steps such as unloading, mixing, and hand-dispensing feed. Today, thanks to automated feeding systems, the process has been optimized down to the last detail. These systems use sensors and data analysis software to determine the nutritional needs of each animal and deliver the right amount of feed. Feeding is no longer a simple process, but an important step in ensuring health and productivity. One of the most impressive technologies is the application of robots in barns. Automatic milking robots have helped the dairy industry make great strides. They not only save time, but also reduce stress on dairy cows by performing operations gently and accurately. In addition, barn cleaning robots help keep the living environment of cattle clean, limiting the spread of disease. Livestock health is now monitored by modern sensors attached directly to their bodies. These devices can measure heart rate, body temperature, and even detect early signs of illness. The collected data is then analyzed by intelligent software, allowing farmers to intervene promptly and effectively. Climate change and extreme weather have posed many challenges to the livestock industry. To cope, many farms in the United States have installed climate control systems in their barns. This technology helps maintain ideal temperature, humidity, and ventilation for livestock, regardless of outside conditions. Not only does it improve health and productivity, it also reduces energy costs and environmental impact. In modern livestock farming, automated feeding systems have become an optimal solution to enhance efficiency and precision in feed distribution. These systems utilize advanced technology, integrating various modern components to meet the specific needs of each animal. The main components of the system include feed conveyors, transport feed to designated areas, feed storage bins, store feed and ensure a steady supply, automated dispensers, distribute precise portions of feed to each animal, specialized software, manages the entire system, from storage to distribution. Advanced sensor technology plays a crucial role in operating the system. Weight sensors, installed on conveyors or storage bins, measure the amount of feed distributed, ensuring that each animal receives the exact quantity required. Identification sensors detect livestock through devices attached to their bodies or placed near feeding areas. When an animal approaches, the sensors send signals to the central control unit to process information and adjust feed portions accordingly. Intelligent functionality is further demonstrated through the coordination of sensors and controllers. The system not only ensures accuracy, but also minimizes waste and optimizes resources. By combining automation with modern technology, these systems offer numerous benefits, such as reducing labor, saving costs, and ensuring the health and well-being of livestock. Advanced features of automated livestock feeding systems. Modern automated feeding systems not only ensure efficient feed distribution, but also integrate advanced technologies to optimize livestock management. These systems combine precision, automation, and data analytics to meet the diverse needs of animals and farmers alike. Data collection and personalization. The system collects essential data about each animal, including weight, age, gender, and nutritional requirements. Using this information, it automatically adjusts the feed quantity to suit the specific needs of each animal. Once the calculation is complete, the dispenser is activated to provide the precise amount of feed required. Integration with IoT technology. Advanced systems utilize Internet of Things technology, allowing farm managers to remotely monitor and control feed distribution. Reports on feeding activities, livestock conditions, and system performance can be accessed through mobile devices or computers, providing flexibility and real-time insights into farm operations. Modern livestock farming is witnessing a transformative wave of technological advancements, from automated health monitoring systems to innovative manure management and genetic engineering. These advancements not only streamline operations, but also enhance productivity and animal welfare. Smart devices, such as collars and body-mounted sensors, now play a pivotal role in ensuring animal health. These devices use physiological trackers to monitor vital signs, including body temperature, activity levels, other health indicators. By collecting and analyzing this data, farmers can quickly identify early signs of illness, stress, or other potential health issues. This proactive approach minimizes health risks and ensures timely interventions, contributing to overall herd productivity and welfare. Before the advent of automated systems, manure collection was a labor-intensive and challenging task, especially in the United States, where farms produce approximately 130 million tons of livestock manure annually. How it works: machines equipped with conveyor belts, pipelines, and sensors identify areas needing cleanup. Components like scrapers or suction devices collect the manure. The manure is transported through pipelines to treatment areas, where it can be converted into high-quality organic fertilizer. Advantages: reduces labor costs, optimizes the collection process, minimizes waste and improves farm hygiene. Drawbacks: high initial installation costs, especially for smaller farms. Ongoing maintenance and repair expenses. 3. Genetic engineering and selective breeding. Advances in genetic technology have revolutionized livestock farming by enabling the production of healthier and higher-yield animals. Key features: genetic selection uses DNA data to predict desirable traits like disease resistance and faster growth. Genetic markers help accelerate breeding processes by identifying favorable genetic traits. Success stories. In California, the application of genetic technology in Holstein cattle, the most common dairy breed in the U.S., has enhanced milk production, improved disease resistance, delivered clear economic benefits to farmers. The livestock meat processing industry has undergone remarkable advancements thanks to the application of robotics and automation. These technologies have significantly transformed production lines in large meat processing plants, particularly across the United States. Robotics and automation in meat processing. Modern robotic systems are employed for critical tasks such as cleaning, cutting, and processing meat with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Key benefits: enhanced productivity. Robots handle repetitive and labor-intensive tasks, allowing plants to process millions of livestock annually. Improved quality and safety. Automated systems ensure consistent cuts, reduce contamination risks, and maintain high standards in the final product. Labor optimization. Human oversight ensures adaptability and accuracy while machines manage time-consuming tasks like cutting, packaging, and storage. Compared to traditional manual processes, this combination of human expertise and automation has vastly improved efficiency and reduced labor costs. In addition to basic meat processing, modern machinery plays a vital role in producing culinary products from livestock meat. Applications: meat grinding and cutting. Machines handle these tasks quickly and with precision. Product preparation. Processes such as seasoning, mixing, and forming are automated to ensure consistency. Packaging. Automated systems package products like sausages, canned meats, and ready-to-eat meals efficiently and hygienically. By leveraging advanced equipment, manufacturers can ensure high-quality food products while maintaining food safety standards. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's program, where we will explore groundbreaking advancements in food technology, from meat preservation to cooking and livestock care. Meat preservation technologies. We all know that to maintain the fresh flavor of meat over an extended period, canning and refrigeration technologies play an essential role. These technologies not only extend shelf life, but also preserve the quality and nutritional value of meat. With the support of these modern technologies, we can enjoy fresh and safe meals every time. Cooking robots, revolutionizing food preparation. We are witnessing the increasing presence of cooking robots, from restaurants to home kitchens, providing convenience and efficiency in meal preparation. Smart cooking robots, equipped with sensors and AI systems, these robots can identify ingredients, fry, stir-fry, and adjust cooking temperatures automatically. In restaurants, cooking robots help improve speed and consistency in the kitchen. In home kitchens, with just a smartphone, you can easily program the robot to prepare everything from breakfast to dinner, saving time and effort. The adoption of modern technologies in livestock farming, such as automatic milking systems and efficient breeding methods, has significantly boosted productivity, reduced production costs, enhanced animal health, and maximized profits. These advancements are transforming farms, enabling them to meet domestic and global market demands. Cow farms that specialize in large-scale production typically house around 1,000 cows. These farms are divided into two main areas: beef cattle and dairy cows. Beef cattle, raised for high-quality meat. Dairy cows provide a steady supply of milk. This dual-purpose approach allows the farm to benefit from both types of cows, not only fulfilling domestic needs, but also catering to the global market. The design of outdoor cow barns is straightforward yet effective, featuring sturdy iron fences to create an open and airy environment for the cows. This design provides ample space for cows to roam freely, reducing stress, saves on construction costs while promoting optimal natural conditions for healthy development. Border collies play a crucial role in managing and safeguarding the cows on the farm. Their herding instincts and intelligence allow them to effectively lead, control, and gather cows, minimizing the risk of the cows wandering or becoming separated from the herd. Hundreds of acres of grassland provide cows with ample grazing space. Cows roam freely, absorbing natural vitamin D, which is beneficial for their health. A modern automatic lawn watering system ensures the grass remains lush and green at all times. The breeding season for cows typically occurs in spring and fall. After a 9-month pregnancy, cows usually give birth to 1 to 2 calves. In rare cases, genetic anomalies, such as two-headed calves, have been reported, which veterinarians have explained as a rare phenomenon. In the factory, beef is carefully processed to maintain quality. Hide is processed to maintain leather quality, and the beef moves to the portioning line, where machines process the meat into manageable cuts. Beef cuts are then transported to the cooling line to ensure freshness. Experts assess the beef for quality before it continues through the portioning line. Beef brisket is one of the most popular cuts, known for its balance of lean meat and fat.